I am pursuing an MBA department. Today's session was very nice and wonderful. Today we learned so much logistics about good listener and so much fun. And all members are very interested in the next section. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Manan Kumar from MBA second year. Today morning I attended the session on the topic of supply chain management. The topics are very relevant and up to date. Example, the modules on supply chain management. George sir were demonstrated the supply chain management through the real world examples and through the cinema world. So today we learn about the leadership, inventory management, and the relevant topics under the supply chain and logistics. So thank you for your session.
Hello everyone, I'm Shari. Regarding the event that was conducted today morning about logistics and supply chain, it was really very helpful for us. Both the distinguished chief guests, both of them helped us to know more about the logistics with the global supply chain marketing. Actually, I had a thought about knowing more about or making a research in the global platform, and the session today that happened was really helpful for me, and I hope other students were also benefited because of those two chief guests who came and taught us about logistics and global supply chain. Thank you so much.